What's up, you guys? Infinite Space News here. Quick video today, but just wanting to mention right off the bat that the Soyuz launch was a success. So good job for whoever organized that. I was pretty sure it's NASA or Roscosmos, either one. But good job. Alright, but next in the news, very important, very big thing is on-orbit spacecraft refueling. Apparently, this is not actually an entirely new thing that is taking off a lot recently. So what this is essentially in orbit, a spaceship will be refueled by another one. This has actually been a SpaceX idea in the past, or at least now it is, and so this could be a big thing for space travel. Particularly, could mean a lot for space tourism. If there was a space tourist, I guess, ship in the atmosphere, or not in the atmosphere, in orbit, this could be for that. There could also be space factories in orbit, which are slightly less likely, but you know, still pretty cool. And you know, this could go off in a whole lot of different directions, so I'm really excited to see if this actually does do anywhere. It could mean a whole lot of things, but honestly I'm surprised they haven't done it already, especially Elon Musk. Like, Elon, the hell are you doing, man? Come on now. Yeah, pretty cool concept. Speaking of Elon Musk is actually sharing his moon and Mars plans with the rest of the world. He's doing this on Friday, I believe, at the Mars Society virtual convention, and I'm honestly really excited to see what his opinions are and what his plans are for going to the moon and Mars, particularly because he is one of the front runners in the entire world on the exploration of the moon and Mars. So really, I'm just really excited to see my man Elon speaking about nerdy stuff, you know, because he's my man. You guys know I'm a little biased towards Elon Musk, but hey, that's how it is. That's how it is. I always remind you. Try not to be biased on this channel, but for Elon Musk, it's just a little teeny bit. But I want to hear in the comments below what you guys think he'll be talking about. Personally, I'll be really interested to see if he talks about perhaps making colonies on the moon. How he's going to do that. That's my biggest question. But I want to hear your questions in the comments below. I'd really like to hear what your wonders are about the moon and Mars, and how you want Elon to fulfill those wonders. That sounded a little weird, but you know what I mean. Alright. Lastly in news, we have the Gateway space station. Now, I don't know how I didn't know this. This is a blunder on my career here, but apparently this gateway is not for the Earth, but is for the moon. Again, I have no idea how I did not know that, but apparently that's what it's for. I don't know why they need a space station for the moon, though actually now I'm thinking about it, that does make a lot of sense for them to make colonies on the moon. And perhaps this is actually tied into that refueling idea I mentioned earlier in this video. So that's also pretty cool. I'm very interested to see how the Gateway goes. Honestly, I only really heard about it recently, but you know, it's gonna be something interesting. It has to be, like, a space station around the moon. Like, come on, that has to be amazing. But we'll have to wait and see. Apparently it's being made currently, or at least being planned on currently. So who knows what we're gonna get, but based on some of the pictures I've been seeing, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. But anyway, that's it for today's video. So if you liked the video, you know what to do. Make sure you like the video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all these wonderful space and news stories. And I will see you next time. Make sure you comment with your opinions on the stories, by the way. But yeah, I will see you next time. So bye for now.